Using scrap materials for home decor can be a creative and sustainable, versatile way to add a unique touch to your living space. Here are some ideas on how to utilize scrap wood, e-waste, and a scrap metal for your home decor. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for being here. Good morning and welcome back. We are back again with another amazing video. Scrap wood wall art. Create a gallery wall by cutting scrap wood into various shapes and the sizes, painting or staining them, and arranging them in an artistic pattern. Floating shelves. Use sturdy scrap wood planks to build floating shelf for displaying small plants, books, and the decorative item. Attach hook to a piece of scrap wood to create a rustic coat rack for your entryway or the bedroom. Construct a small side table by repurposing scrap wood as the tabletop and using metal or a wood leg for the support. Build wooden planter of different sizes and shapes using scrap wood, lining them with the plastic or e-waste. Construct a small side table and plastic waterproof sealant and the protective wood. Remove the component of an old electronic devices and repurpose the casing as a unique lamp and a lamp kit. Add a lampshade to complete the look. Take apart a non-functional electronics devices such as computer, motherboard, and use it interesting components to create a futuristic wall clock. Combine different electronic parts and the circuits board to create a sculptures on artistic installations. Secure the pieces using adhesive and the soldering. Use old circuit board or small electronics part to create a decorative picture frame. Glue the components onto the simple wooden or the metal frame. Cut scrap metal into interesting shapes, design, then paint or polish create the unique wall art of piece. Weld or join together scrap metal piece to make candle holder in a various shapes and the sizes. Ensure the base is sturdy and the heat resistance. Repurpose heavy metal objects such as gears or the old tools as a bookend to add an individual industrial touch to your bookshelves. Weld together metal bar or the scrap metal pieces to create a modern and the sturdy plant stands and hanger for your indoor plants. Frame a mirror using scrap metal pieces such as bent pipe or a metal strips or the industrial or the steampunk inspired look designs. Remember to take necessary safety precautions when working with scrap metals such as wearing protective gloves, using proper tools, and handling sharp objects carefully. Let your creativity flow and enjoy transforming these discarded items into a beautiful and the functional decor pieces of your home decor objects. Use a leftover of fabric scrap to create a colorful patchwork quilt. Cut the fabric into various shapes and sew them together for a unique and the beautiful design. Sew or glue a fabric scrap together to make vibrant throw pillow for your couch or bed. Experiment with different pattern and the texture. Create fabric wall hanging by stretching a piece of fabric over a wooden frame or embroidery hoop. Add establishment or sew on additional fabric pieces for added interest. Break scrap glass into a smaller pieces and use them to create mosaic art pieces such as tabletops, wall hanging, or the decorative trays and the item. If you have the skill or are willing to learn, salvage scrap glasses to create a stained glass window or panels to add a beautiful focal point on your home. Use scrap glass jars or a bottle can add a candle holder, paint or decorative them to match your decor style. Cut scrap leather into a round or the unique square shapes to make stylish coaster. Add decorative elements like embossing and the painting, personalize them. Attach small leather strip to the drawers or the cabinet as unique and the tactical drawel spools. Secure them with screws or the adhesive. Create wall pocket by cutting a scrap leather into a pocket and attach them to the wooden or a metal backing. Use them to store mail, magazine or some precious item. Break scrap ceramics pieces into smaller fragments and use them to create a mosaic tile pattern on the tabletop tray and the plant stops. Paint scrappy shards with plant names or decorative design and place them on your garden and the wall. Plant pots as a stylish garden makers. Glue scrap ceramics pieces onto a cork or the fill to make a coaster or the trivets that protect your surface in an artistic way. The key to utilize scrap metal in home decor is to let your creativity shine with outside the box and repurposes item in unique and the unexpected ways. With a little imagination, you can transform discarded metal into a stunning and the eco-friendly decor pieces for your home.
First of all, I would like to say thanks to all of you for being here and supporting us. We are back again with another amazing video. Our today's video is about electronics waste art project ideas for beginner that will help you to reduce the waste and reduce your carbon footprints. Electronic waste, also known as e-waste, is a growing problem around the world. As technology advances, devices become outdated at a faster pace, resulting in more electronic waste being generated. In addition to the environmental impact,